The mind is a tool, and like any tool, it works best when sharpened and aligned with intention. Dr. Joe Dispenza. Hello and welcome. Today, we're getting into something truly powerful, the magic within you. Yes, you heard that right. Each one of us carries a unique kind of energy, an inner magic, that can change the way we experience the world. And no, I'm not talking about tricks or illusions. I'm referring to the real magic. Your inner energy, the kind that shapes your reality and allows you to create the life you desire. Now, when we say magic, it's easy to get caught up in thinking it's something only a few possess or that it's something mystical. But the truth is, this magic, or energy, is inside each of us. We all have it, though not everyone knows how to access or activate it. That's what today is all about, helping you understand how to tap into your energy, how to activate the magic within, and how to use it to transform your life. So, why do we call it magic? Simply because when you begin to harness your energy, the results can seem magical. You start to notice changes, small shifts at first, then larger ones, as your intentions align with your actions. You become more in tune with yourself and the world around you, and things just seem to click. But this isn't a result of some outside force. It's your own inner power at work. The first step to activating your inner magic is becoming aware of it. So many of us go through life on autopilot, unaware of the energy we're putting out into the world. Have you ever noticed that when you're in a bad mood, things around you seem to go wrong? Or when you're feeling positive, things just seem to work out better? That's your energy in action. It's always working, whether you're aware of it or not. To tap into that magic, you have to first understand that your thoughts and emotions are energy. Every thought you think, every feeling you have, sends out a vibration. And that vibration influences what you attract into your life. If you're constantly thinking negative thoughts or focusing on what's wrong, that's the energy you're sending out. And what happens? You attract more of the same. But when you shift your mindset, when you focus on what's possible, on what you want to create, that's when the magic starts to happen. One of the simplest and most effective ways to activate your energy is through your thoughts. This isn't about ignoring reality or pretending everything is perfect. It's about training your mind to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want. For example, instead of worrying about not having enough money, shift your focus to the opportunities available to you to create more. When you think in terms of abundance rather than scarcity, you open yourself up to receiving more of what you desire. Now, let's talk about intention. Setting an intention is like planting a seed. When you set a clear intention, you're telling the universe, and yourself, what you want to create. But it's not just about thinking, I want this. It's about feeling it, too. You need to feel the emotions that come with having what you desire. When you align your thoughts with the emotions of already having what you want, that's when your energy becomes magnetic. Another key to activating your magic is trust. You have to trust in the process, even when you can't see the results right away. This can be the hardest part because we often want instant results. But just like when you plant a seed, you don't see the sprout immediately. You have to give it time to grow. Your energy works the same way. Once you set your intention and align your thoughts and emotions, trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring it to you. Now, we can't talk about energy without mentioning action. While thoughts and emotions are powerful, they need to be backed up by action. You can't just sit around waiting for things to happen, you need to take inspired action. This doesn't mean forcing things or trying to control the outcome. It means listening to your intuition and taking steps that feel right. When your actions align with your energy, that's when you start to see real, tangible results. But here's something important, your energy is always changing. It's influenced by your environment, the people you interact with, and your own mindset. That's why it's essential to protect your energy. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether that's people, activities, or even your thoughts. Be mindful of what you consume, both mentally and emotionally. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, it's going to drain your energy and make it harder for you to access your magic. A great way to protect and boost your energy is through practices like meditation, mindfulness, and gratitude. Meditation helps you quiet your mind and tune into your inner energy. Mindfulness keeps you present, allowing you to be aware of the energy you're putting out in each moment. And gratitude? Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, raising your vibration and attracting more positive energy into your life. So, how do you know when your magic is activated? You'll start to feel more in flow. Things will feel easier, and opportunities will seem to appear out of nowhere. You'll feel more connected to yourself and more confident in your ability to create the life you want. But remember, it's a process. There will be ups and downs, and that's okay. The key is to keep coming back to your energy, to keep focusing on what you want to create, and to trust in your inner power. As you continue on this journey of activating your magic, know that it's not about being perfect. It's about progress. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to tapping into the full potential of your energy. And the more you practice, the stronger your magic becomes. You have this incredible power within you, waiting to be activated. All it takes is awareness, intention, and trust. When you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy you want to create, that's when the real magic happens. So, go ahead, start tapping into your inner energy today. The world is waiting for the magic only you can bring. To activate the magic within you, it's important to understand that this energy is dynamic and ever-evolving. One key aspect that often goes unnoticed is the importance of balance. Energy flows best when it's in harmony, which means that while you're focused on using your inner power to achieve your goals, you must also make space for rest and replenishment. Overextending yourself, whether mentally, emotionally, or physically, can lead to energy depletion. Taking time to recharge doesn't mean you're losing momentum, it's essential for maintaining the strength of your energy. Nature provides a great example of this balance. Just as day turns into night, and the seasons cycle through growth and dormancy, your energy follows a natural rhythm. There are times when you're full of inspiration and drive, and there are times when you need to pause and reflect. Learning to honor these cycles in yourself is crucial to sustaining your energy and, by extension, your magic. Another important factor in activating your magic is clarity. Clarity in your intentions and your desires helps to direct your energy with precision. It's like tuning into the right frequency. When you know exactly what you want and why you want it, your energy becomes laser-focused, cutting through distractions and obstacles. If you find yourself unclear or uncertain, take a step back to refine your vision. What do you truly want to create? What impact do you want to have? The clearer your vision, the stronger your energy will be in manifesting it. Equally vital to this process is the practice of detachment. Once you've set your intention and taken inspired action, it's important not to obsess over the outcome. Constantly checking for results or becoming anxious about whether things are happening fast enough can disrupt the flow of energy. Let go of the need to control how or when things will unfold. Trust that your energy is working behind the scenes, even when you can't see immediate changes. When you're in the process of activating your inner magic, you'll find that intuition becomes your greatest guide. Often, we're so used to thinking our way through life that we forget the subtle yet powerful guidance that comes from within. Your intuition is like a compass, gently steering you in the direction that aligns with your energy. The more you listen to it, the stronger it becomes, and the more effortless it is to align your actions with the magic you're creating. The people you surround yourself with also play a crucial role in maintaining and amplifying your energy. Spend time with those who uplift and inspire you, and who encourage you to pursue your highest potential. Conversely, it's important to be mindful of toxic or negative influences, as these can drain your energy and slow your progress. Conclusion. As we wrap up, let me leave you with one last thought. The magic within you is real, and it's yours to access at any time. You don't need permission, and you don't need to wait for the perfect moment. It's all about tapping into that energy, setting your intention, and taking inspired action. You have everything you need within you to create the life you want. Your magic is already there, waiting to be activated. Now, before you leave, make sure to show some love for this content by hitting that like button. It helps spread the message and keeps this energy flowing. If you've enjoyed what you've heard today, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss out on more insights like these, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you're ready to take control of your life and activate your own magic, subscribing is a great first step. By joining this channel, you're aligning yourself with positivity and empowerment, and who wouldn't want more of that? So hit that subscribe button and let's keep growing together. And if you know someone who could benefit from this message, share this video with them and encourage them to subscribe too. We're all about creating a ripple effect of positivity, so let's keep this energy spreading far and wide. Lastly, if you've already subscribed, thank you. But if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. You'll be glad you did.